make free internet calls from your laptop or desktop computer to a mobile, and it's completely free. And I'm sure that it works in almost all the countries. Only one requirement to do this is that you need to have an internet connection. So let's get started. So first off, open your browser and go to this website, call2friends.com. So this is the cool website from where you can make free internet calls from your PC to a mobile, and it works in almost all the countries. Now please note that I do not have any administrative rights on this website. I'm just teaching you how to make use of this website to make free internet calls. Well, anyway, so once you go to that website, you'll see a small window like this, a keypad and a call button and a end call button, and you need not register for anything. Once you visit that website, you will just see this window there, and here just you will see a drop down arrow symbol. So just click on that and then select your country where you are from, and let me select mine. So select your country and then enter a phone number to which you want to call, and let me enter mine. So here it says the direction name India, and it says that you can talk for 60 seconds. Yeah, it has a limitation that it only allows you to speak 60 seconds per a day. So you can only speak for 60 seconds. If you want to speak for another 60 seconds, then you have to come back the next day. Anyway, let me call now. Just click on the green call symbol here, and here we go. Actually, it asks you that it takes a permission from you that it want to access your microphone. So here we go, the ringing sound, and yeah, I got the phone number. Now let me lift the call. Hello. Hello. So it's working. So there we go, it actually worked. And yes, this is completely free. You need not register for anything, and you can speak free for absolutely 60 seconds a day. So if you want more of it, then you can just register. I mean, you have to pay for that, but you can speak freely for 60 seconds a day. So I think this is a really cool website to make free internet calls in case of emergency, and in case if you don't have any mobile with you, and yeah, that's kind of cool thing. Well, thanks for watching the video. If this video really helped you, then don't forget to subscribe me, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, feel free to comment below.